A Wyandotte County judge will soon decide if the state of Kansas can release records pertaining to the death of Olivia Jansen. Police found the 3-year-old's body in KCK a little more than a month ago. Olivia's dad and his girlfriend now in jail on murder charges. I-Team reporter Jessica McMaster takes a look at why the district attorney is asking to keep Olivia's record sealed.
This all began when Kansas Department for Children and Families issued an intent to release Olivia's file. The district attorney here in Wyandotte County is trying to stop that from happening.
DCF was called, the police department was called.
After this statement from Olivia Jansen's grandparents, the I-Team put in a request for Olivia's file with Kansas Department for Children and Families. The 3-year-old's body was found earlier this summer in KCK. Olivia's dad and his girlfriend are in jail on charges of abuse and murder.
I would have liked nothing better than to be able to get this information out 2 or 3 weeks ago.
In July, DCF issued a summary of Olivia's file. We met with DCF Secretary Laura Howard that day.
In the initial review, I don't have any reason to believe that we didn't follow the appropriate processes.
The agency wants to release Olivia's entire file to the public, but the Wyandotte County District Attorney's Office asked the courts to put a stop to it. While Kansas law allows for the release of Olivia's file, the DA notes in court records that a previous court order granted to Olivia's dad prohibits the release of extrajudicial statements. The DA also states it does not want unredacted version of the affidavit released. It's a move that's not uncommon. Prosecutors often try to prevent information from being released to the public out of fear that it could prejudice a case. The attorney for Olivia's father tells us he also plans to ask the courts to keep those files sealed. The hearing is on August 26th. In KCK, I'm Jessica McMaster, 41 Action News.